So is tuple mutable or immutable? Immutable. Why it is immutable?
So because we don't don't have any support, any adding or deleting or removing deleting functions. So it is immutable.
So you are saying that tuple does not allow modifying the elements.
Yes.
It's not adding, not deleting. Okay, so it's called the
Immutable.
right. So in tuple, we have a function called any function, all function. Any, all. The same functions available in list also, in set also available. Okay, anyone, either list, tuple, set, anyone, no problem. So when all function is true, tell me.
If all the elements in the given list of tuple are non-zero elements, then it will return true.
True. Otherwise,
False.
false. So non-zero elements.
No,
What is the meaning of non-zero elements, sir?
except false and zero.
Okay, so zero and false are zero elements.
Yes, sir.
Remaining all are the non-zero elements. So if any list a tuple or set contains all non-zero elements, so all is true. If any false is there,
It will return false.
false. Suppose no list is there. A tuple anyone contains 10, 20, true, false, 30. Now if you apply the all function, what is the answer?
False.
False. Why false?
Because false is
Because
zero.
false element
value
is there.
zero.
So false means what? Zero.
Zero.
So it's still correct. The same case, what is any function?
Any function means all function is the non-zero value is one non-zero value is then it is true. All zero value is then it is false.
False. That means if list contains at least any one non-zero, it is true.
True. Then
If all are false means
all zero values then it is
false. Okay. The same case, one example. Some tuple equal 1, 2, 3, true, false. If you apply any function, true or false?
True, sir.
True. Why it is true?
Because
No.
there are multiple
Non-zero elements are there. So it is true. For example, so tuple contains what? 10, false 0, false 0. If you apply any function, what's the answer?
True.
True. Why true?
Because here is one non-zero elements.
So 10 is one non-zero element. So true. Suppose now 10 is not there.
10.
False 0, false 0. Apply any function. So true or false?
False.
False. Why?
All the zero elements.
All are zero elements is a false. It is about all function and any functions. Okay. Now in the list, do we have max, min, some functions? Yes or no? Yes, we have. So list supports, tuple supports, set all supports max, min, some functions. Okay. Now one tuple contains 10, 20, 30, 40. Now max of tuple, how much answer?
40.
40. Min of tuple?
10, sir.
10. Sum of tuple? 10, 20, 30, 40. 100. Okay. Because all are numbers are there. Fine. Now in the next case, the same tuple contains t. Tuple t contains 1, 2, 3, 4.5. In this case, can you apply max function?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Because we have combination of integer values, total value is there. Can you apply max or not?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
What's the result of max? Max of tuple?
4.5.
Min means 1. Sum
10.5.
10.5 is there. So integer values, float values, you can apply three functions. Okay, fine. Now, tuple contains 1, 2, 3.5. True, false. Clear. Now, you can apply max, min, some functions.
Yes, sir.
Because this tuple contains what? Integer values, float values, boolean values. If you apply max, what's the answer?
Yes, sir.
Is equal to 3.4.
Zero. Zero, no?
One, sir. Zero.
False.
Main zero.
I repeat. Tuple contains 1, 2, 3.5. True, false.
False, sir.
False.
If any value zero, false.
False.
False. Not zero, no?
No, sir.
Why? Because there false, maybe both the values same. Zero, false are same. But what is there presented? False. False is the answer. False is answer. Then sum
Some
7.5.
1, 2, 3.5. true, false.
7.5.
7.5. Because in Python, true is equal to 1, false equal to 0. Both are same. Okay. Suppose now list contains a tuple contains 1, 2, 3.5. True, false, and A. Now, can apply max min sum?
No, sir.
No. Why?
Because there is string value.
When you have the string value, we can't compare. You can't compare a greater value or a lesser value or equal also. If one string is, you can't perform. Tuple contains 1, 2, 3 plus 4. Now, can apply max value,
No, sir.
min value,
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
but sum,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
what is sum value? 1, 2, 3 plus 4, 4j.
7.4.
Huh?
6+4.
1 plus 2, 3. Plus 3 plus 4j. The 3 will add. 3 plus 3, 6. Plus 4j. 6 plus 4j. Okay. In the tuple, do we have like append, extend, insert function?
No, sir.
Why?
Because it is immutable.
It is a immutable, does not support those adding functions. The same time, in the tuple, do we have clear function?
No, sir.
Clear function. What is the purpose of clear function generally?
Here means all possible formats are all clear.
Clear all the elements.
That's it.
So in tuple, can you clear all the elements? In the tuple, can you clear all the elements?
The tuple is not
Ah.
allow clear function
Why?
because tuple is the immutable.
Immutable. So not allow clear function. The clear function is possible in list.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Why?
It is immutable.
List is a immutable object allows. Clear. The same case in set clear possible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Why?
Because
It is a immutable. So mutable means we can modify. Modify means add the elements, remove the elements. Immutable means
We can't.
we cannot modify. Means you can't add the elements, can't remove the elements. Set is mutable, immutable. Mutable. It means what? We can add the elements. We can get the elements. The set how to add the elements by using add function. By using add function. Now the add function will add the element at the end of set, beginning of set, random anywhere. Randomly anywhere. It won't add exactly always in the beginning or ending. In case of append function is there. Append a possible way in list. What is append function?
it is a add
End of a list. But the add function in the set adds random anywhere. Not exactly beginning or ending, no. Anywhere add randomly. In the set add function is allowed to add multiple values.
Single values, but we can add as a list.
We can.
A sub list. But not like that. I want to add multiple values. Possible? No.
Take
So
one.
add function allows only one value adding. One value adding. Only one add function. I want to remove the elements from set. I want to remove the elements. What are the possible functions?
Remove, discard,
Remove, discard, pop, clear also is there. Right? Tell me about the remove function. Remove function. Suppose a set contains 10, 20, 30, 40. Set contains 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay. Now I want to remove that 10. I want to remove that 10 by remove function. How it's possible?
Set dot remove parenthesis the
The brackets are 10.
10.
So 10 is available. It will remove. Suppose I am giving the set dot remove of 50. 50 is not there. What is available? 10, 20, 30, 40 available. But I am giving 50. What does it do now?
error type error.
50 is not there, right? Okay.
empty set. It is
Error. Which error?
I
Key error. Which error? Key error. Why? Because set contains 10, 20, 30, 40 only. But what I am trying now? 50 trying. 50 is not available. It gives the key error. That is remove function. If element is available, it will remove. If not available, key error. Okay. Now, can we use a remove function to remove two values at a time?
No,
No,
Not possible. Then what will come?
Error.
Error.
Argument.
It allows single argument.
Allows only one value. If you give multiple, error will come. Okay. Suppose the remove function, I don't give one argument also. Set the empty remove I am giving. Empty remove. Then error. So if you give no arguments, error will come. More arguments, error will come. Only one argument only. If it is there, it will remove. If not there,
Key error.
here. That is about a remove function. Another function is there.
Discard.
Discard. What is discard function?
It will remove one element from the list.
Set.
Set.
Set. Okay.
Specified.
Mm.
If it is not available in the set, it will not return any error.
Any error. In case of remove function,
It will return error.
key error. But just discard, no error.
No error.